In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to change colors within our PremiumPress theme. To begin, let's log into the admin area of our PremiumPress website. From the menu, select the Design tab. Now hover over the Customize button and select the Colors option. To make things easier for you, PremiumPress themes use two main colors which are used throughout the entire website. By changing the primary and secondary colors, your website menu bars, buttons and text will automatically update to display your new colors. If you want to set custom colors for elements within a page, you can edit the page using Elementor. If you want to change the menu colors separate to the main colors, you can do this via the header design options. The footer color changes are the same as the header. From the Design tab, select Customize Footer Design and edit the design using Elementor. If you found this video useful, please let us know by liking and subscribing so we can keep making new videos for you. Thank you.